Hello, I'm Greg Sadler, and I'd like to talk to you a bit about YouTube channel membership, specifically to my channel. They're a way that people who like the kind of content that I produce can, support the work that I do, and they can also get some nice perks or rewards or tokens of my gratitude in response. So it's kind of a back and forth or a two-way street, you could say. Now, if you're not interested in channel memberships, you don't have to get one because I put out a lot of free content, whether it's live streaming like my AMAs or other things along those lines, or all the other videos that I generate, the half-hour Hegel, the core concept videos, all sorts of stuff that are used by students and professors and lifelong learners all over the world. And I've been doing this about 11 years or so, so I've generated, who knows, well over 2,000 videos that get used by a lot of people. Something like 200 years worth of watching time so far. So clearly people like the content. So if you want to become a member, there's 3 different tiers that they have. One is called the silver, one is called the gold, and one is called the platinum. Pretty ritzy stuff there. And here's what people actually get. So at the silver level, there are custom badges that you can use, and also, I think this is a cooler thing, custom emojis that we created using, myself as the template. And I also give priority to people who are commenting at the silver level. I get tons and tons of comments every day. I try to respond to as many of them as I can. You get priority at the silver level. At the gold level, you get all of those and early access to selected videos. I'm going to start rolling that out very soon. And I'll also include you in updates. So, status updates, photos that not everybody gets to see or read, just people who are at that level. And then finally, at the platinum level, we have exclusive member-only videos that I'm going to get started on quite soon. Member-only live streams where, it's getting, much more interactive engagement with me. And then I'll give member shout-outs as well. Now, like I said, there's no obligation to do any of this. You can keep watching all you want for free. I've got tons and tons of videos at this point, over 2,000 that you can browse your way through. But if you would like to help support the work that I am doing in this channel, let me say thanks in advance, and every little bit helps and contributes to the work that I'm doing. And, I like to give a little bit back to the viewers. If you want to get in on the exclusive things, become a member. And you can check it out. You'll see the link below for, how to become a member and some descriptions of all of this. You can also just go straight to the join button or the membership part of the channel, and you'll find everything there as well. So if you're not interested in becoming a member, that's cool with me. You just keep on doing what you're doing. If you'd like to become a member, thanks so much for doing so and for supporting the ongoing work that I do. I've put in more than a decade producing videos. I'd like to keep doing it for at least another decade, generating content that people can use to further their education online and, learn about philosophy, literature, history, and all the other fields that I cover.